Daming fish. Ay, hindi, not fish. Duck. Duck. Oh, hello mga katribo. Welcome to my channel again. Andito tayo sa The Lakes. Ito ang Sirena. Ayan. Ayan, Sirena. Ayan, oh, dami. Walang pampakain. Sarap ito. Kalangkang. Ito, kalangkang. Ito, pinaupo sa asin. Yan. Ito, si Racing. Yan, Racing. Ito niya, 10 pounds at 20 pounds per hour. Mas mura yun. Ito, dito. Magtanong muna tayo dyan. Tanong natin mamaya. Yun, ganda. Whoever. Ikaw naman, spend ka na naman. Ayan. Tepo.
That's what I'm trying not to do. That's what to do.
Ayan, sarap dyan. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung sa boat mamaya.
I can see the birds.
Ayan, may gamay pa, no? Swan. Swan nandun. Swan. Ayan. Daming duck. Kunti pa yung tao. Tayo pa lang. Dito. Mamaya marami na yan. Ayan, mga katribo. Gutom na naman si Yonggi. Ayan. Kapag nila pa. Some coffee, cappuccino. Tayo sa Lake District. Magkakape-kape muna tayo dito. Si Yonggi. Say hello to my vlog. Come on. You say not say anything. Ayun na speedboat yan. Yun. Sarap sumakay doon. Ayan, punta ng kanyan. Ambleside. Atras ah. Yonggi ah. Later on. We need to look for that boat. A small one. We're gonna drive it.
Me? I'm gonna drive it. Can I wait?
Yan. Itong boat na ito kaya. Ticket holders only. Hotel doon eh. Sabi doon ang mag-hotel. Yan. May papadating oh, yan. Galing ng kwan yan. Ambleside. Watch out. Docky. Hello. Daming tao. Too many people. Too many lovely people. Ayan. Parking. Some ice cream. Ano yung bilihin ng ice cream dyan? Amazing shop.
coffee shop there. So I think there's cafes on the boat.
So, that's how much. Malayo ang tingin. Wala namang tinitingnan. Hindi ah. Ano eh? Malaki. Yan, malaki yan, mahal yan. Maliit lang sasakyan natin. Ito yung maliit dyan, mura-mura. Yun, maliit. Sakyan natin yun. Mamaya. So, you drive this one, I drive that one. What are you gonna drive, Bunso? I need a small one. The small one. Where's the smallest one? That one. There. I like the smallest one. Oh, this one. Oop. Bunso is gonna ride the boat. That one. Speedboat. Yeah, I need to ride that one. Let's see how fast it can go. We're going to have a race. That one. Hello, Kotribo. Bunso is gonna ride the boat. That one. Hello, mate. Yes, thank you.
Just a quick safety check for you. Can you see the orange triangle just out there?
Yeah.
It's got a circle of red balls around it. That'll mark shallow water. Stay out of those areas at all times. Otherwise
Right.
you're going to hit the bottom and get
Right.
stuck.
Okay.
Right. Rest of the time, stay at least 50 meters away from land. Again, get close, get stuck.
Right.
Right. There's a tracker on your boat. If that's beeping, this is somewhere you shouldn't be, like the red balls. So back out when you're good to carry on. Next to the steering wheel is our emergency number. If you need it, call it. All right.
Right.
There are a couple of ferries like this one coming past. They've got priority and right of way, so let them go. If you do need to cross, go behind them for us. Come and climb on in.
Oh, this is our boat. What's up? Thank you, mate. Right. Ooh. Forward,
Take a seat.
release. Also driving. Let's go to the Philippines.
That way we have. That way. Can we go that way?
Where we go?
So, ayun o, big one. I see the big one. There. So, ito ano? Race mo yun, no? Race. The big one. The big boat. Let's go fishing. Ari driving the boat. Oh, why you turn it off? Go on the right there. Basta, doon. Dito the island. About 10 meters from the... Come on, so we can see there. Look. So far away. Enjoy it. Boleh naik bus boleh ikut drive ng boat. Piloto, siya piloto. Back to the land natin. Back to the land. Ayun. Ay, ay, ay. Nakahilo. Oh, ano yan? Natakpan mo. Nakahilo na. Back to the land. Thank goodness. Di makondalan ko sa... How's your experience? Huh? You dizzy? Ayun, no? Yung seagull, oh. Dami dito. Yan, speedboat. Yate. Yan, baon. Adobo.
What adobo?
Adobong may itlog.
Sasado.
Nasa chicken.
Naman din na chicken.
What? What happened? Huh? Oh, broke? Yeah, we're still in the lakes. Yun, in the lake yun, doon. Let's eat. Kakain tayo sa labas. Yan, kainan, campingan. Camping. Sarap. Ay, nako, nakakapagod. Teka, iwanan. Hello. Iwanan ako. So, Sindin Hotel. Yan. Hotel muna tayo. Yan. Ay, yan.
What's the car registration?
Dok, dok. Pan dito. Yan, pwede po dito, tambay-tambay. Relax-relax muna. Wait lang. Cute.
Where is it at?
Dito.
I'll open it.
Ayan. Kain-kain, kape-kape. Ayan ang aking cup na galing sa Baguio. Kahoy, yan. Ang mahirap yan. Ang mahirap. Ito si Bunso, nagugutom na. There, that. Yeah, there.
This one?
Be careful, it's very sharp. The sharp is deadly. It's from Japanese knife.
I don't need knife to open it.
Oh, so told you it's dangerous, that knife. See?
How do I open it?
See? No, how to open it.
My goodness.
So, tulugan namin ni Bunso. May TV. May maliit na toilet. That's enough. Pero maganda yung lake nila. Maganda yung labas niya. Ayan.
We're going fishing tomorrow.
Can fish there in the pond. Saka doon sa pond.
Hotness monster.
Ayan, ito yung breakfast. Full in English breakfast. May view, ang ganda yan. So, Ray. So, breakfast. Sutas. Kape. Buso, itlog lang. Okay na. Busog na. I think that's enough. View. Fun. May mga miniature building doon. Ganda. May legong duck. Daming duck. Busog na. Gayak na, gayak. Busog na naman. Ayan ako. Ayan. Ito yung aming tinuluyan. Ayan, parang kung siya. Cottage house. Pero hotel to. Ayan. Ganda. Time to get ready. Time to explore again.
Yeah, I think it was me who spoke to. Yes. Through.
Gana?
In an afternoon tea as well.
Gana? Morning. Morning. Ito yung miniature. Ayan. Nasaan yung hotel? Maybe ito. Ayan ang dami. Diorama. Ayan. Galing na. It's made of natural stone. Ayan. Ganda. Teka, tingnan natin. Tapos malaki ito. Ito. Commission taken. Galing ah. Galing nila. Yan, mayroong cows and horse. Yan. Sa labas madami. Loads outside. Galing ah. Parang mga old farmhouse. Here in Lake District. Ganda. Morning mga katribo. Ayan. Galing nito. Parang glamping. Ayan. Ayan. Parang Teletubbies house. Facing on the hill. Very peaceful. The countryside. Yan. The rolling hill of Cumbria. And doon may duck na dalawa. Doon. ng pagkain sa taas. Ito kami nag-stay dyan, going in the inside. Ganda. Yan. Pond.